We're talking once again about the daily rain. We have showers and storms, a pretty gray and gloomy kind of look out there at lunchtime on your Monday, and our temperature not bad, but as I was saying, our dew point very high, so you just step outside and you just feel that big wall of humidity. Not something we're unfamiliar with in the summertime in New Orleans, but we do also, of course, have all the rain around, and the shower, the downpour that was over New Orleans has actually weakened a good bit and has slowed down a little bit, but it's mostly light rain at this point over the city. So if you need to get out, it's not excessively heavy, but we do have yet more rain out to the south. I think after this one passes through, though, we should have a decent break in the rain for the metro area. But look at you south of Jean Lafitte toward Galliano, Carlisle, closer to the coast around Leeville and Cocodrie, some showers and thunderstorms. Out over the causeway, some light to moderate rain over the southern end of the bridge, and then over into Pearl River County in Mississippi and Hancock County. And you can see this downpour. So if you're crossing the lake around Mandeville to Metairie, you'll be dealing with a bit of rain at least for half or so of the causeway at this point. Rain totals today have been up to a half inch at the lakefront. Some spots not registering quite as much, but we are not done with the day. We still have the chance for rain heading into this afternoon, and a pretty decent chance that you will get at least some form of a shower or a thunderstorm. Official high temperatures for today, depending on where you are and how much of a break in the rain you get, could still be in the upper 80s, but some of us may benefit from the clouds and the rain and keep our temperatures mainly lower 80s for today. So just a big dependence on whether you're getting a downpour or whether you have that sky opening up and getting some sunshine here and there. Tonight, low temperatures north and south of the lake in the 70s, and we are expecting yet more daily downpours. A few could be heavy at times. We're also feeling very humid this week. We've had this high moisture content helping to fuel those showers and storms. And then we're also looking hot, at least sometimes early this morning, hot and sunny and blue skies. And then this afternoon, our temperatures come way down. Less rain and a bit of a hotter setup is expected by this weekend as our pattern shifts a bit. This is our forecast through this afternoon. Interesting to see that perhaps we started today with more rain than we'll see later on. That's something that we might see today. Often it's the afternoon to early evening that we get most coverage of rain, but it might be a bit shifted today since we started off with rain earlier. This is 5 p.m. though, still at least some showers and storms. This high resolution model wants to go 7 p.m. Still some rain. Looks quieter overnight, but still a 20% or so chance for some isolated showers. Tomorrow we'll do it again as we're stuck in this same pattern, 11 o'clock, and then this is 2 p.m. tomorrow. Scattered downpours here and there, and then this is by 6 p.m. tomorrow. Still a little bit of rain out there to contend with as we still have our high to the east that's pumped in all this Gulf moisture, and we've been in this weakness and we're staying there through the next couple of days at least. So that means more scattered rain, instability and lift, as well as that moisture. And then this high swirls in over us at the end of the week. So this is Friday into the weekend. We'll have the big high pressure area. It looks like just off to our north. So that should contribute to a little less rain overall. And when we have less rain, that means more heat. So by Friday, we have a near average rain chance for our part of Louisiana at this point in the summer, about 40%. It might go down to about 30–40% over the weekend, so a bit of a change coming. Saharan dust still very prevalent out across the Atlantic basin. You could see it especially into the Caribbean in the next day or so. No development is expected in the tropics for the next 7 days, although there is some moisture here and there. We're just not seeing a lot of potential development, partially thanks to that Saharan dust, which is still going strong at this point in mid-June. 7-day forecast shows first day of summer on Friday. Our 40% rain chance will be there into the weekend. A little lower chance, but you could still certainly get a spotty downpour or two, especially in the afternoons. And our high temperatures will be getting back to lower and middle 90s, and that means that heat index may surge to about 105 to 110 maybe over the weekend. So we might be talking a little more about the heat next weekend as opposed to the rain.